Then why your new me plans? Keep failing and how to fix it. Let me ask you something. How many times have you told yourself, this is the year I'll finally change? Maybe it was about getting fit, saving money, or finally starting that side hustle. You were pumped. You had a plan. You even told your friends about it. But then, life happened. A few weeks later, you're back to your old habits, Netflix and nachos, and wondering why you can't seem to stick to anything. Sound familiar? Here's the thing. You're not alone. Most people struggle with this exact same problem. But the good news? It's not your fault. You're not lazy, unmotivated, or doomed to fail. You're just using the wrong approach. Today, I'm going to show you how to rewire your brain and finally make those changes stick. No fluff, no empty promises. Just science-backed strategies that actually work. Let's dive in. Step 1. Stop trying to change your identity. Here's where most people go wrong. They try to change their identity first. They say things like, I'm a healthy person now, or I'm a saver, not a spender. But here's the problem. Your brain doesn't believe you. Your brain is like a detective. It's always watching what you do, not what you say. Every action you take sends a signal. This is who I am. So, if you're trying to become a healthy person, but still skip the gym and eat junk food, your brain's like, yeah, sure you are. The solution? Start with actions, not identity. Instead of saying, I'm a reader, just read 1 page a day. Instead of declaring, I'm a runner, just put on your running shoes and walk around the block. Small, consistent actions send a powerful signal to your brain. Hey, maybe this is who we are now. Step 2. Build habits that stick. Let's talk about habits. Habits are like superhighways in your brain. The more you use them, the stronger they get. But here's the catch. Your brain doesn't care if the habit is good or bad. It just reinforces whatever you do repeatedly. So, how do you build good habits? Start stupidly small, like embarrassingly small. If you want to start meditating, don't aim for 30 minutes a day. Start with 1 minute. If you want to get fit, don't commit to an hour at the gym. Start with 5 minutes of stretching. Why does this work? Because small actions are easy to repeat, and repetition is what builds habits. Every time you do that tiny action, you're carving a new path in your brain. Over time, that path becomes a highway, and the habit becomes automatic. Step 3. Design your environment for success. Here's a truth most people ignore. Your environment is stronger than your willpower. Think about it. If you're trying to eat healthy, but your pantry is full of chips and cookies, how long do you think you'll last? Your environment is like an invisible force field. It's always pushing you towards certain behaviors, whether you realize it or not. So, if you want to change your habits, you need to change your environment. Here's how. 1. Make good habits easy. Oh, want to read more? Put a book on your coffee table. Oh, want to drink more water? Keep a water bottle on your desk. 2. Make bad habits hard. Oh, want to stop scrolling social media? Delete the apps or use a focus blocker. Oh, want to eat less junk food? Don't buy it in the first place. Step 4. Manage your energy, not your time. Here's a mindset shift that changed everything for me. Stop trying to manage your time. Start managing your energy. Think about it. You can't actually control time. It moves forward no matter what you do. But you can control your energy. And when you have more energy, you can get more done in less time. Here's how to do it. 1. Match tasks to your energy levels. Oh, do your most important work when your energy is highest. For most people, that's in the morning. Oh, save low-energy tasks, like answering emails, for when you're tired. 2. Build in recovery periods. Oh, take breaks to recharge. Even 5 minutes can make a difference. O. Use techniques like the Pomodoro method to stay focused. 3. Upgrade your energy capacity. O. Sleep well, eat nutritious food, and move your body. When you master your energy, you'll find that time takes care of itself. Here's the bottom line. Change doesn't have to be hard. It doesn't require massive willpower or dramatic overhauls. All it takes is small, consistent actions, a well-designed environment, and smart energy management. So, what's one tiny action you'll take today? And as I always say to myself, one chill step at a time, no cap. Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's make 2025 our best year yet.